Are you ready to learn Spanish words related to food? Let's get started. Hi, I'm Jessica from Learning with Jessica Diaz, and today's lesson is all about food. We're going to learn the words for bread, sandwich, fries, fruit, and vegetables. Let's start with bread. In Spanish, bread is pan. If you wanted to say, I eat bread, you could say, yo como pan. Our second word is sandwich. It's emparedado. I know it's a lot. Let's break that one down. Emparedado. Emparedado. If you wanted to say, I eat sandwiches, you could say, yo como emparedados. Our third word today is fries. Papas fritas. Papas fritas. Papas fritas. If you wanted to say, I eat fries, you could say, yo como papas fritas. Our fourth word is fruit. Fruta. 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 If you wanted to say, I eat fruit, you could say, yo como fruta. Our last word today are vegetables, which is vegetales. 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 If you wanted to say, I eat vegetables, you could say, yo como vegetales. Let's review those 5 words. In Spanish, bread is pan. A sandwich is emparedado. Fries are papas fritas. Fruit is fruta. And vegetables are vegetales. Now let's test your knowledge. How would you say bread in Spanish? Pan. What about sandwich? How would you say sandwich in Spanish? Here's a hint. It's a really long word. If you said emparedado, you're right. What about fries? How would you say fries in Spanish? Papas fritas. What about fruit? How would you say fruit in Spanish? Fruta. And lastly, how would you say vegetables in Spanish? If you said vegetales, you're right. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you use these videos to learn Spanish, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.